It's called No Maybe Baby. My friend came to visit me with her new baby and asked what I like when I smiled and said maybe, but really the creatures are not to my liking. One end is constant feeding and one's constant wiping, one end is all scream and the other all splatter. Like tumours they grow, getting bigger and fatter and louder and larger. Then they can talk, you have to talk to them. Then they can walk, you have to walk with them. Then they can run, they run away from you. They take all the fun out of living, the giving you get no thanks for. Then they leave, grieving, their leaving begets. What a bore are these children, these chilblains, these horrible kids, that turn all your might-haves into you never dids, who take all your time and your money as well, who constantly whine. It was funny as hell to see my friend croon and moon over the critter she recently pooped out, the first of a litter of many I thought as I surveyed her daft face, gonna goo-goo and gaga with all of the grace of a loony baboon, baby mad mama, cartoony buffoon, and maybe tomorrow I'll change my opinion, but probably not. As I looked at my friend and her kids, all I got was a shivering sense of what she was missing. That quivering mass was all she was kissing. Well, I get the whole world to choose from and take. Boys, booze and bonbons are mine, that mistake. Inspector wouldn't left to birds who feel a need to fetter and cage themselves, i.e. to breed. Well, I'm a bird to live happy, no baby, with unending turtle tummy down, no maybes about it, without it, I'm glad and I'm glowing. Instead of a child, I give birth to this poem. Thank you for being very close to this lovely girl and her mum, being such a good sport.